Up here is the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra in all its glory. And before we get your hopes up, let's get one thing out of the way. It looks almost identical to the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. That's right, no major design changes here. The only noticeable difference? You've got Z Flip 6 style camera rings and less than a contrasting cutter. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and just to clear up any confusion, the Tab S10 Ultra doesn't have two USB-C ports. There's only one, and it's on the other side. What some people might think are extra ports are actually spots to attach the official keyboard accessory. It was there on the Tab S8 and S9 Ultra too. Now, if you're hoping Samsung would finally ditch the display notch this year, I hate to break it to you, it's still up there. Honestly, I don't really get it. The bezels are thick enough to hold the camera, so the notch just seems weird at this point. Aside from that, the physical design is pretty much the same as before. I've got the same 14.6-inch display, the same bezels, the same thickness, no surprises here. Where things get interesting is under the hood. For the first time, Samsung's swapping out the Snapdragon chip for a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. It's probably a cost thing, but this MediaTek chip is supposed to perform just as well as the Snapdragon. How it will hold up in the real world? Well, we'll have to wait and see. As for charging, don't expect anything mind-blowing. Samsung is picking with 45-watt fast charging, just like the Tab S9 Ultra. And surprise, surprise, the charger is not in the box. It's decent enough, but not the upgrade some of us were hoping for. The battery capacity hasn't been leaked yet, but if everything else is staying the same, it will likely still be 11,200 mAh. What about color options? Looks like we'll get silver and graphite for both the Plus and Ultra models. One of the leaked images also show a Galaxy AI feature, where the tablet will automatically generate transcripts while recording audio. This is the same one we saw earlier with the S24 and the Z Fold 6. It will be interesting to see if Samsung introduces any new features or if they'll just stick with what they launched with the Z Fold 6. Now, in case you missed it, Samsung will skip the vanilla Galaxy Tab S Pen this year. Instead, we'll only see the Tab S10 Plus and the Tab S10 Ultra. So if you're eyeing a more budget-friendly option, you might be out of luck. Unless you go for the FE version, of course. So when we can expect the official announcement? Rumors say we'll see the Tab S10 Ultra in October, possibly alongside the S24 FE. I think October launches are gonna be a thing for Samsung now, with their fall unpacked event moving to mid-July this year. Now here's the latest update on the Galaxy S25 Ultra.